trying to make these grommets fit on the body, so I can put these stainless steel sleeves
I'm trying to grow a beard.
over it.
Lane told me that if I grow a beard like you,
with
I
the
could
hole.
become wise. Me and your beard's about the same.
And then
I can't grow it here though.
my old thread for the quick jacks, they're gonna go through the middle. I just need to cut this to size.
Beard.
And this one needs to be cut to the size too.
I'm ready to keep a beard.
This is my aluminum trim plate, so I don't want to cut the hole too big, that this is not going to cover it.
Pretty awesome. 2D print on it. It's the nylon 12CF, so it's the carbon fiber.
We're getting close.
It's pretty strong.
The idea for the design of this interior was to use the original seats, modify them so they're a little deeper, and just make it look like this is the way it would have come from the factory. Overall, I want the interior to be very understated, but extremely custom. All right, Justin, let's see how that thing sits in there. Let's do it. Making this interior pretty is one thing, but making sure Vinny fits, well, that's the most important.
As you can see, the grommets in there. The sleeve fits tight, but not too tight. And then I'm just gonna cut it to size and put the old thread in the middle. I'm gonna cut the video here and then we'll continue later. What I'm trying to do is try to keep the old thread center in the middle of the hole. This one needs to go down a little bit, but I don't want to go down too much because this plate needs to cover the holes. So it looks like I don't have a lot of room to go. I gotta be careful. Now I'm just gonna use this Dremel flappy paddle, flap wheel, just to round down the holes to make it look a little better. I don't wanna go too. I don't wanna sand it any more than I need to. I just wanna round the hole, clean up the hole a little bit.
Put them on so that the gaskets are not painted, then it looks like somebody in the back. This is plastic blocks that clip together that I use to model the exhaust system. As you model it, the bends and pieces, I can line them up to a piece of tubing and make it identical to this. Makes it a little bit quicker for me to build an entire system with fewer mistakes.
Got those perfect round holes. Hopefully this will be in the middle. Look. That one could go down a little bit. That one is almost perfectly in the middle. I'm just gonna go down a little bit on this one.
Other than that, it's pretty much. Inside the engine. Wow. Well, this is huge.
This is already holes around it real nice. I got the old threads, the trim plate. I just need to cut the old threads to size and cut the stainless steel tube to size so it doesn't show old thread all the way on the outside of the body. And I gotta do the other side. There it is, people. And that look good with a nice blue metallic paint and billet quick jacks really tight to the body. These are not for use, these are just for show. Don't use it to lift your car with this. As you can see, I cut the stainless steel tubes to size. This one sticking out a little bit because the quick jack is not straight to the body, it's straight to the headlight. So this one is a little longer and this one is just straight with the body, because the quick jack goes all the way inside. We'll see how it looks. There you go, peeps. Tied to the body. There's no gap in the top. There's a little bit of gap in the bottom, but the nice stainless steel sleeve is right there to cover it. I'm really happy with how this turned out. Now I just gotta do the other one. This one took me a whole day yesterday. Went to sleep to try to think about it and come up with this way today, and I'm really happy about it.
There's a Pringle set for everyone.
Now we're gonna mock the passenger side up. Just gotta get this stupid train panel. It keeps getting in the way. So we'll see how far apart we are with this one. It looks pretty far. Yeah, not even close. Not even close.
I don't know what the next step will be.
Got an attorney putting together an offer for you just to sell the place.
Let's start the grinding.
Little People of the World, new season, Tuesday at 9 on TLC. The boys are back with all new cars.
I just bought myself a fastback. Jensen Healy Porsche 911 convertible. Chevy C10. It literally has got my name written all over it.
And all new problems.
This is an abomination. The whole front end.
But nothing a little TLC can fix.
It'll be my US cup of tea.
Emphasis on the T.
Perfect. Me and you, son. We've absolutely nailed it.
Okay, we're gonna do some grinding. I'm gonna stop the video and I'll be right back.
So we're trying to get this 40.
There it is, boys and girls. Driver's side.
The weave in there. It's just really cool. And I really wanted to put some added details. It's something that we haven't done before. It's quite
Stainless steel sleeve at the bottom, at the top too, but you can see it.
Inserts is badass.
Yeah, I sure think they put enough leather in there.
This is the passenger side.
Stand back here for just 1 second. I want you to see what we've pulled off here. The wheels, we did a 19 by 8 up front, the 20 by 13 in the back. With that contrast, the old
Tight
brand style,
stainless steel sleeve.
and stuff with the knockoffs. Man, that is such the money shot right there. It looks so cool.
It's low on the ground.
It's on the ground. They say in the weeds. Well, there's no weeds out here, but it's certainly in the grass.
I really like the stamps on it.
Now next video is gonna be the fronts. The front should be easy.
Take a look at this.
We'll see.
This is probably
Good night, good morning, whenever you're seeing this video. And this is the illegal garage. Bye.